Patio doors are more than just an entryway. They connect your indoor living space to the outdoors, let in natural light, and add value to your home. In Clinton Township, where homes experience all 4 seasons, patio doors work hard year-round. Unfortunately, that also means they're prone to certain issues. Understanding the most common patio door problems can help homeowners spot warning signs early and avoid costly repairs down the line. Patio doors that stick or are hard to slide. One of the most frequent complaints among Clinton Township homeowners is patio doors that don't slide smoothly. Over time, dirt, debris, and pet hair can build up in the track, making movement difficult. Seasonal changes also play a role. Humidity in the summer and cold temperatures in the winter can cause door frames to expand or contract. In some cases, worn-out rollers are the real culprit. When rollers degrade, no amount of cleaning will fully fix the issue. If your door requires excessive force to open or close, it's a sign that professional attention may be needed. Drafts and air leaks. Michigan winters can be harsh, and a drafty patio door can quickly drive up heating costs. Homeowners often notice cold air seeping in around the edges of the door or feel temperature differences near the glass. These drafts are usually caused by worn weather stripping, poor installation, or an aging door that no longer seals properly. Even small gaps can significantly impact energy efficiency, making your home less comfortable and more expensive to heat or cool. Foggy or condensed glass panels. If your patio door has double or triple pane glass, fogging between the panes is a common issue. This happens when the seal fails and moisture gets trapped inside. Clinton Township's fluctuating temperatures make seal failure more likely over time. While foggy glass might seem like a cosmetic issue, it actually indicates reduced insulation performance. Once the seal is broken, the door loses much of its energy efficiency, which can affect indoor comfort year-round. Broken locks are security concerns. Patio doors are a common entry point for homes, so a faulty lock is more than an inconvenience, it's a safety risk. Homeowners may notice locks that don't latch properly, handles that feel loose, or mechanisms that fail altogether. These problems often develop gradually due to frequent use or internal wear. In some cases, older patio doors simply don't meet modern security standards, leaving homeowners feeling uneasy about their home's protection. Water leaks and moisture damage. Water intrusion around patio doors is a serious issue, especially during heavy rain or snowmelt. Clinton Township homeowners may notice water pooling near the door, damp flooring, or even mold growth. This problem is often linked to improper flashing, damaged seals, or poor drainage around the door frame. Left unaddressed, moisture issues can lead to structural damage and expensive repairs beyond just the door itself. Warped or damaged door frames. Exposure to moisture, temperature swings, and sunlight can cause patio door frames, especially older wood frames, to warp or deteriorate. Warping can prevent the door from closing properly, worsen drafts, and strain the locking mechanism. Once a frame is significantly warped, repairs may only offer a temporary fix. Many homeowners in Clinton Township find that replacement becomes the most reliable long-term solution. When to consider repair or replacement. Some patio door problems can be resolved with minor repairs, such as replacing weather stripping or adjusting rollers. However, recurring issues, rising energy bills, or visible damage often indicate it's time to consider a full replacement. Modern patio doors offer better insulation, smoother operation, and improved security, features that make a noticeable difference in comfort and peace of mind. Final thoughts. Patio door problems are common, but they don't have to disrupt your home or lifestyle. By recognizing the issues Clinton Township homeowners face most often, you can take proactive steps to protect your investment, improve energy efficiency, and maintain a safe, welcoming home. Whether it's a simple fix or a full upgrade, addressing patio door issues early always pays off in the long run.